Hey there, ever wondered what the difference is between weather and climate? You're not alone. It's a common question, and today I'm here to clear things up for you. First, let's chat about climate. Climate is like the personality of a place. It's the long-term average of weather conditions in a particular area over a significant period, typically 30 years or more. Think of it as a big picture view. It includes patterns of temperature, humidity, wind, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions. Essentially, climate gives us an idea of what kind of weather to expect in a region over the long term. Now, what about weather? Weather is the short-term conditions of the atmosphere at a specific time and place. It's what you experience day to day. Weather changes frequently and includes shifts in temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, visibility, and wind. So while it might be sunny one moment, it could rain the next. All right, how exactly are climate and weather different? The main difference lies in the time scale they refer to. Weather is short-term and can change quickly, while climate is long-term and reflects average conditions over years or decades. Easy way to remember it. Weather tells you what to wear today. Climate tells you what types of clothes you'll need for a typical winter or summer in a specific location. Let's look at some examples to make it even clearer. Say you check the daily weather forecast for Sydney and it says, today will be partly cloudy with a high of 24 degrees Celsius and a 50% chance of rain in the afternoon. That's weather. Now, if we talk about the Sahara Desert, where it's known for extremely hot temperatures during the day, very little rainfall and cool nights, that's climate. Or the Daintree rainforest, which has high temperatures, high humidity and frequent rainfall year-round. Again, that's climate. Understanding the difference between weather and climate is super important for several reasons. Firstly, it helps with daily planning versus long-term preparation. Knowing the weather helps us plan our daily activities. For example, if it's going to rain later, you might bring an umbrella. On the other hand, understanding the climate of a region helps us prepare for long-term needs, like what types of clothing to buy, how to build homes, and what crops to plant. Speaking of crops, farmers rely on climate information to decide what to grow and when to plant. Weather forecasts help them manage daily activities like irrigation and protecting crops from frost. Understanding climate helps in choosing crops that are best suited for the long-term conditions of the area. Next up, infrastructure and urban planning. Cities and infrastructure are designed based on the climate. For example, buildings in hurricane-prone areas are built to withstand strong winds, while those in earthquake zones are designed to be more flexible. Weather forecasts help manage short-term events like storms or heat waves. Then there's climate change awareness. Understanding climate is crucial for recognizing and responding to climate change. While weather shows immediate variations, climate data reveals long-term trends and patterns. This helps scientists predict future changes and advise on necessary actions to mitigate impacts. And finally, public safety and environmental protection. Weather forecasts provide immediate warnings about dangerous conditions, like storms, floods, and extreme heat, which can save lives and property. Climate knowledge helps communities prepare for and adapt to long-term risks, like rising sea levels and increased frequency of extreme weather events. Knowing the climate also helps in preserving ecosystems and biodiversity. Conservation efforts can be better planned if we understand the long-term climate needs of different species and habitats. So, next time someone asks, you'll know the difference between weather and climate and why it's so important to understand both. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Catch you next time.